Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome here at Crypto Hash Review, where we educate and disseminate information about Bitcoin from a Muslim perspective. And today's session, talking about the Blue Wallet, as we deal with the discussion of how to live the Bitcoin standard. So we went through a few wallets before. Went through Moon Wallet, went through Wallet of Satoshi, and we have covered Blue Wallet before. We haven't covered Blue Wallet as respects to Lightning Network. We've only covered Blue Wallet as relates to the on-chain Bitcoin. So refer to that video as it relates to opening a wallet for on-chain transactions. But now we're going to talk about Blue Wallet from an off-chain perspective. Let's open up. So as you can see here, we have nothing going on. So we've got a brand new wallet, empty. And I want to add a new wallet. And Blue Wallet has three types. A normal Bitcoin wallet, which is on-chain, which is a normal wallet which will receive and send Bitcoin on the blockchain. Second one is a Lightning wallet, and this is an example of a custodial wallet, just like Wallet of Satoshi. So when Bitcoin is sent to and from your wallet, it's actually to and from Blue Wallet themselves. They have their own account. You have your Bitcoin stored on their overall account. That's why you can receive Bitcoin and send immediately. And then you have Vault, which is to do with multi-signature wallets. So let's just deal with Lightning for now. You can run Blue Wallet from your own channels, which is another discussion we'll talk about later on. But for now, they do have the option of just basically using their channels and using their infrastructure. So let's call this test Lightning done. And that's how quick it is to make a wallet. Now it's giving me here a QR code and some information, which basically gives access to this wallet. Anyone who has access to this has access to my Lightning funds. So, and if you lose this, you also lose access to your funds, because essentially you're using, you can say Bitcoin on the infrastructure, but you have access to your pot, your element within the infrastructure. So, okay, I've done and I've saved it. I didn't save it really, but if I wanted to save it, I can go to the wallet itself, click on the three dots at the top, go to export and backup, and it will be there again anyway. You can see here there's a QR code, and at the bottom there is essentially your access, which you won't see because I'm going to have it blocked out, but essentially there's a bit at the bottom and there's some QR code here. You can back up your Lightning Network. And if you want to delete, and if you wanted to delete the wallet, you can just press delete and it's gone. And there's nothing in there anyway, so it's not a problem. So let's do it again. Let's say test 2 LN wallet, Lightning, create, and there's another one. Perfect. So now I want to send some money to this. So there are different ways. Yes, I have. There are different ways to add funds to your Lightning wallet on Blue Wallet. And it has this way you see manage funds. You can refill it with their own system and infrastructure, and therefore you would use your, refill. This is using money from an existing Bitcoin address. If you have a Bitcoin address here, you can refill it. It says that in order to proceed, please create a Bitcoin wallet to refill with. So basically what it's saying, they have another wallet, which is a Bitcoin wallet. And from that wallet, you can refill your Lightning address, which you don't have. At the moment, we've only got one Lightning address. 2, you can, from external wallet, whereby if you have a wallet on another phone, you can use that to top up your Lightning address, or you can refill it with your bank card. So they have the infrastructure where you can actually just press that and you pay with your normal debit card, and that money will be converted into Bitcoin and made ready for you to send. And also have this thing here called exchange. I've never really seen before, but who cares about that? First and foremost, we want to receive some Bitcoin directly from this. So there is no way to produce a standardized address that you can send any amount to, which is called LN URL. That doesn't have that feature. So you actually have to request a certain amount. Let's just say 100. And the description here is for test, create invoice. So now it's created an invoice that money can be sent to. So I'll copy that invoice. And now that invoice is shown here as unpaid. So let's go to Moon. And I want to send Bitcoin. Let's press and type in the address. Continue. And you can see here, it's going to tell me 100 Satoshi is going to cost me almost nothing on network fees. And I want to press send. And it's sent. So the user experience, as you can see so far, it seems to be better with Moon. And over here, finish. Over here, let's have a look. Has it arrived? It should be instant. So now the wallet is now going to consult with Blue Wallet and then let us know if we received it or not. And we have 100 Satoshis have arrived. Okay, now I want to do something with this. So apparently there's a marketplace here, and then there's what's called LA or LApps, Lightning applications. So they're integrated within the Blue Wallet, certain places that you can spend it. We'll talk about that in the next video. But for now, I just want to send the money back. So let's go back to Moon Wallet. Or actually, let's go to Wallet of Satoshi. And I want to receive, let's say I want to receive 99 Satoshis. And I say 99 specifically because there may be a network fee of 1 Satoshi when you send it back. So let's say you send, it's realized that there's something in the clipboard, okay. 99 Satoshis, it says it expires in how many minutes, and the potential fee is nothing to a whole Satoshi. So can you imagine sending money from one wallet to another wallet and spending less than or just spending a 50th of a penny? It's ridiculous. Pay. And it should be sent. Done. Sent to Wallet of Satoshi. Let's have a look. Boom. Received. So I've sent money from one wallet to another wallet to another wallet, and these are all instant confirmations, by the way. Unlike a Bitcoin network, when you do on-chain, it might take 10 minutes for each block to occur. These transactions are instant. Cool. So back to here. So now I go back to nothing again, and it seems like we actually paid 1 Satoshi, because it said here between 0 and 1 Satoshi as a fee, and we have none left. So it seems like that's what it was. We actually paid a Satoshi for the fees. That's how simple it is to receive Bitcoin on the Blue Wallet via Lightning, and how easy it is to send that same thing out to other wallets. Perfectly fine. So let's receive some more again. I want to receive this time, let's say 300 sats. Should I do 3,000? Let's do 3,000 sats. Test again. Oh wait, no, sorry. It needs an address, obviously. Oh, that's the description, I'm right, sorry. Test, transaction, create invoice. Done. Wallet of Satoshi, send, clipboard, already got it there, pay. Let's see if it's going to give me oh, okay, this time it's fine. Wallet is sent, done. So I'll go to Blue Wallet, and it's been paid. It's instant. That's it. My 3,000 Satoshis are here. So I wanted to do this because there's some, it says Lightning apps or LApps browser. Now it's going to bring me DuckDuckGo. I don't know why it's bringing me to DuckDuckGo. Maybe it's here to search for apps. I don't know. Let's just skip that one then. Marketplace. So this is bringing me to different places that I can spend my Lightning, my Satoshis at. And there's many different things here you can look at in your own time. We're going to have a video specifically on Bitrefill, but you can send it to other things as well to check it out. The Zigzag, the Spend, there's so many other things you can spend it on. Lightning, SMS, whatnot. But back to here, we've now received that Bitcoin, and I want to send that now back to Moon. Where's Moon? So receive. Now Lightning. Let's see if you can. If Blue Wallet works with generic LN URLs. So copy. So this is just a Lightning address. I haven't specified how much I want. Let's see if Blue Wallet works. Okay, receive. Okay, continue. Okay, so it's asking me to stipulate how much to send. Let's say 2,999. So I can actually pay LN URL. Okay, not enough balance to make it. Okay, so it's too much. So let's say make it 5. So let's say pay. So not enough balance. Make sure you have at least 1% reserve for potential fees. Okay, so what's 1% of 2,000 or 3,000? That would be 30 satoshis. So let's just say 2009. That's it, basically that much. That's about 30 plus 1% left. Pay. So they're saying I might get charged 30 satoshis to send this. Let's see if it will work. And while we're waiting for that, let's quickly explain how LN URL works. So Lightning addresses need to have specified a certain amount. But here we have an address that doesn't do that. Payment in transit. So the way it works is that it gives you a basic means of communication. So therefore the wallet would communicate with, I guess, your wallet. So your wallet will communicate with their wallet, get and tell them how much exactly they want. It will get the invoice from them and then pay the invoice. Essentially, that's how it works. It says payment in transition. So it's still, I still essentially have it, but it's wondering, is it going to be paid? So let's go back to Moon. What's Moon saying? Okay, it's here. There it is. It's received. So I guess it's just waiting for the other side to confirm that, I guess. There you go. It's confirmed. And I paid 17 satoshis for that payment. So why did it take that long to happen? Because like I said, the way Lightning works is that you're essentially hopping from one person to one person to one person, passing your payment down the line. And in that process, these individual people may ask for 1 or 2 or 3 satoshis as payment along the way. So that's why it's not known exactly how much you're going to pay. It depends on how long it takes to get there. But there you go. Payment has been received, and it cost me about still less than a penny to make that transaction. And we have 13 satoshis left. Let's see if I can send the rest of that to Wallet of Satoshi. I want to receive. Here's an address. Go back to Blue. Send. And let's say 1% of that. Let's say 12 sats. Send. Now, will it be easier and quicker and cheaper to send it to Wallet of Satoshi, these 12 sats? Done. Paid. And it cost me 1 Satoshi to pay for it. That's it. And on Wallet of Satoshi, boom, there you go. So one question one may ask, why did it take longer for the other one to get paid and this one, it was more instant? It's down to capacity. When each wallet looks at the network, it tries to find a route, a path between you and the other person. And each channel, each connection between each person has a certain capacity, how much Bitcoin is on that chain. Now, smaller amounts, there are more options. Larger amounts, there are less options, basically. That's what it is. So if you have a large amount of money, like £100, for example, it can only go through channels that have 100 pound capacity, which are less than those who have 1 or 2 Satoshi capacity. As the Lightning Network grows and the channels get larger, then this issue will become less and less and less. This is why the Bitcoin, the Lightning Network is growing strength after strength each time. Anyway, hope you benefit from this tutorial, and may Allah give you plenty Bitcoin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.